brought you to the prettiest beach in the Bahamas right here.
Love it, love it, love it. Bunch of crazy kids.
Getting seasick.
Can't get seasick or land sick.
Yeah. So we're getting land sickness, so we had to jump in the water.
I'll take a picture. I'll send it to you. You email me your name, address. Okay. It's so pretty here. It's always good to see the boat when you come around the corner.
Still there.
Yep. Still anchored. Good job, Cap.
What do you think about that, guys? That's beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Shroud Key is one of my favorites. When you guys come to the Bahamas, make sure you check out Exuma's Land and Sea Park, Shroud Key.
Yeah, we're on the north end, and they call this the wash machine, so if you're trying to look it up, you can find it. We've seen so many turtles, some sharks, it's just phenomenal.
Yes,
You know, like,
it's amazing.
we did have a bunch of excursion boats today, which is rare.
Well, it's going to be summers. Well, thanks for watching, guys.
Hey, do us a favor and push the like button and share. Yes.
Yes, please share. It helps build our community. Thanks so much, guys.
All right. See you on the next island.
Yep.